Joel's gonna take half the kids to go cleaning. Well, all the kids to go cleaning, and I'm going to take Boston to his very first soccer game.
Oh, is it a game?
Yeah.
Oh, good luck. I thought it was just a practice.
Oh, dear.
Oh, dear. Where is everybody? I completely forgot to film when we were there. I'm so sad. I was truly just like watching Boston.
How was it, bud?
Good.
You see those shin guards?
Yeah,
We
buddy.
need to go get you some cleats now, too.
I asked him how it felt, and how does it feel?
It's okay with tennis shoes.
You will pause Babish right now.
Nobody puts Babish in a corner.
Yeah, well.
Or Josh Weissman. Or Sam the cooking guy. I am at school right now.
Okay, so we've got a crock pot with very finely diced celery, carrot, onion. We're gonna add in some cream sherry. Then we're gonna add our turkey.
You got it.
No, you have to open it. Get over here and either be my cameraman or open the cream sherry.
I'll cork it.
It wasn't on your face. Okay. Add it. Oh boy. We're making Sunday dinner. It's a Saturday night and we When I tell you that I don't want to smell like a 10-hour turkey when I go to church on Sunday.
It smells like Thanksgiving, but it's a little bit strong sometimes.
A little bit, no. It makes me sick. So we cook it outside. Genius. It is Saturday evening. We'll open that up Sunday morning and add all the veggies and let it cook until the afternoon.
Saturday morning in 3, 2, 1.
You know Joel's in a good mood when he's got his country music on. You can see he has all of his stuff out to bathe Lady. You can't take Lady to see Aunt Linda. She's not clean and smelling good.
Oh, she smells good.
She smells good. She looks good. Happy Sunday, Missy.
I hate that.
She's like, there's nothing happy about it. As far as we can do today, the food is ready before we go to church. We're all ready to go, and I have to share you the details of this dress because I don't even need to say anything. This is the cutest, sweetest dress I think I've ever owned. So I will definitely link it for you. The shoes, so stinking cute. And I think these are pretty cheap, I think. I'm gonna link those for you. And then my earrings always are Miss Stella and Ruby, which I do have a discount for. These earrings never fail me. I'm like trying to fix them as I'm talking. Okay, and then the lipstick color because kind of just like all goes really well together. Anyway, we're ready for church. Let's go. Everyone's got a handful of something. We're ready for dinner.
This is a really heavy one around.
Do I think it's appropriate to bring an animal into someone's home that doesn't want animals in their home? No, I do not. However, Aunt Linda has been especially sad this week because she has a lot of excess swelling, especially in her face. And so she's been extra sad, extra cryy. And she was asking if I would bring Lady. And normally I would tell her no. I would just say, no, you can visit her next time, whenever, at Christmas time or whatever. I couldn't tell her no. And so I'm going to keep Lady in the laundry room. Mom, I am so sorry. I am very sorry. Lady's gonna go in the laundry room until Aunt Linda gets here. We'll visit and then you can go back, okay? She just wants to look around. I'm sorry, I can't say no to Aunt Linda, especially when she's crying and sad. I couldn't say no.
Lady, did you find Aunt Linda? Linda, who's this?
Huh?
Who's this?
Girl.
Yeah, that's Lady Baby, huh? Hi, Lady Baby. Do you like the doggy?
Yeah, and she look no face no more.
She licked your feet. I won't let her lick your face.
Too.
Okay, I won't let her lick you. You don't let her lick her, okay, Code?
Okay.
Lady.
I got some kids, some toys.
Oh my gosh, you're so nice, Aunt Linda. Stay, Lady. You stay. You behave.
Aunt Linda, we have a present.
Huh?
Present.
Huh?
We have a present for you.
Oh no.
A present for Aunt Linda, huh?
For Aunt Linda.
Oh.
Got you
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Isn't that nice?
Look, and if you press its paws, it'll make a sound
Squeeze right here.
right there.
We love you, Aunt Linda.
Hi.
Here, you squeeze it.
Yeah, squeeze right there.
Put this, yep.
We love you, Aunt Linda.
There you go.
Hi.
We love you, Aunt Linda.
That's Bonnie, and she's just saying she loves you.
Bonnie.
Look, and then if you do the other paw. Watch.
Push it once.
We love you, Aunt Linda.
You're doing downstairs.
It's just inside the bear, so it can just talk to you. Let's see, what's this one do?
Yeah.
That one has a heartbeat.
Can you feel it?
Yeah.
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 You'll have to think of a name for your bear.
I love that.
You love it?
I love you, Aunt Linda. And she's like, hi, Bonnie, I thought you were downstairs.
What you doing downstairs?
But you went a picture.
I was trying to find a picture
Did you find it?
Me?
and of you, and I couldn't find it. I couldn't find the picture. I'm so glad you like it. She's bouncing it like a baby.
Mm-hmm.
Is it like your little baby?
Yeah.
I hope you're hungry.
Oh, the
You're not hungry. Okay.
I'm waiting for your dad.
We're gonna wait for Joel's mom and dad. We invited them over to have dinner with us too because his mom just had knee surgery, and so we're just gonna have a little get together while we're down here. First, I was really feeling kind of worried having Lady here, but the only reason I feel okay about it is because that's all she's doing. She's not gonna move, she's not gonna run around. She is just going to sit on Aunt Linda's lap, and they're just going to enjoy life until dinner is ready. No one will ever know, Mom, until you watch this.
You won't know for 2 years, so it doesn't matter.
No, actually it does matter, and that's why I'm like stressing. Because I think it's very important to treat their house better than we would if they were here. I think it's harder for me having Mom out of her house than it is for Mom. Because I know my mom would say, oh, it's okay, it doesn't matter. But I'm just uptight. All right, the other day when we went down, Joel's mom was actually resting, and so she never had a chance to come and have dinner, which we were happy that she was resting. We missed her at dinner, but I told her, I said, it's funny how things work out because Joel's mom needed the rest, and I think Aunt Linda really needed our undivided attention. And so we actually didn't film a whole lot with her there. I think Aunt Linda was really tired. Her spirits were a little down, but I think she really enjoyed the day. So that was the end of our day the other day, and now we are heading somewhere. I'm shocking. So we're heading to an appointment. We'll take you guys along with us. Okay, so the appointment we're going to is the orthodontist. Oh, that went like up there. We are going to the orthodontist, and this is the first time we're doing it. So me and Mom both don't know what we're doing because Mom never had braces and neither did Dad. That's right. So I'm the first one to be getting them. So today we're gonna go in and we're not getting them today, but I don't really know what we're actually doing. We're having a consultation. Oh, okay. Yeah. And so he's gonna tell us basically when and how long, and I think just like all the details about Olivia's braces. I'm not nervous, but I'm excited because then at first I can get them done and over with. And because it's exciting.
Olivia was like, I don't want to go to junior high or like middle school with braces. Because
No, I don't want to go to high school with
Yeah,
braces. I just
and
don't want to end up doing that.
here's what Joel said. Joel was like, I always thought that the girls with braces were cute. He's like, I liked braces on girls. I don't think you should worry about like it not being cute or not being cool, because how do you think when you look at other people with braces? Are you like, ew, braces?
No,
What do you think when you see them?
I don't really care like about
Right.
them, but for my sake, I'm like, I just don't want to have them in high school. But we'll see what ends up and what will end up happening. But
I bet you won't have to have them for that long. I bet you won't have to go to high school with them.
yeah, I don't.
Wouldn't you rather get them done in middle school versus high school?
Yeah, and that's what I am like thinking, because I'm like, okay, we'll get them done in middle school, and then we'll see what happens in high school with them.
Yeah,
So.
I'm happy for you. I feel nervous too because I've never experienced it, so it'll be fun. We'll do it together.
Face the wall just like this.
And like shots, Mom. Do you want me to smile or no?
No smiling. Because if you don't smile in a mugshot, nobody's smiling then. So really good look, don't worry. And then, I'm going to be really close, so you'll probably want to close your eyes, because this is just your teeth.
Yes.
And then bite down on your back teeth all the way. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Now you just let me know if you want me to send this to your school. It can be easy. You can write the class president with this picture. That was let us know.
Two things are official. Olivia is getting braces, and I believe she is in love with her new orthodontist.
I love him so much. He's my favorite. He's just the nicest person on earth.
He's very charismatic.
Well, and then like when he was drawing on it, I was gonna laugh so hard. I didn't know that he was a coach, but he kept like drawing like game plans out on it, and I was like, "You're a coach. You're such a coach."
And I think he was
And
a
I
coach.
think he was a softball coach.
Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog by saying So I'm going to end the vlog by telling you what he told Olivia. So he was like laughy, jokey the whole time, just, you know, having fun. But then he was very serious, and he turned to Olivia and he was like, this is a very big sacrifice for parents. You know, their time and their money. He said, so this is a group effort, and I want you to take your part very seriously. He's like, you need to take care of your teeth. You need to be appreciative. And it like brought tears to my eyes, because it was just really nice to hear another professional just
Making sure we knew, like,
yeah,
this is how we're supposed to do this.
it was just really nice. It was just really nice. It made me just really appreciate him and feel like we're in good hands. And we'll update you when Olivia gets her braces.